Grain Feed and Milling Magazine Weekly News Review, powered by Grain Tech Bangladesh Online Edition, from 1 to 5 February 2020. Open letter from Chicks and Feeds Limited on automatic disinfectant tunnel.
Rise Media invitation for November 16, 2020, a new era of milling.
Alapala Academy and Innovation Center has started its operation as a part of Alapala R&D Center.
Turkia Instruments, range of work and capacity.
Russia has come close to a new wheat crop record, thanks to grain yields.
Mueller Solutions, count on the leader.
Lively VIB Qingdao 2020 and a milestone edition for VIB in China.
We also determine our priorities by means of taking into consideration the profits and benefits of our valuable customers.
Wheat Foods Council works to increase demand in the United States. Grain Tech Bangladesh 2021, exclusive media partner Grain Feed and Milling Magazine.
And Mill Tech Istanbul, media partner Grain Feed and Milling Magazine.
Thanks for watching.